Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Fin and Fur channel. Today, we've been braving the storm with some laughs. If you're stuck inside and looking for a little distraction from the chaos that's going outside, I've got six of, should I say, funny or my top six storm themed one liners that are sure to hopefully brighten up your day. So I guess grab your snacks and find a cozy spot and let's dive in. My top six storm one liners. Number one, why did the tornado break up with the hurricane? Why? Because it wanted some space. It wanted some space. I like that one. All right. Moving into number two. I told the storm to come down, but it just said, I'm a little thunderstruck. Little thunderstruck. Right. Number three. What did the lightning say to the thunder? You crack me up. You crack me up again. You crack me up. Oh my goodness. Number four. How do storms greet each other? Again, how do storms greet each other? With a cloud of laughter. Get it? With a cloud of laughter. Right. I don't know about that. Last two. I tried to take a picture of the storm. All right. I tried to take a picture of the storm, but it was too overcast. Last one. When the storm came knocking, I told it again. When the storm came knocking, I told it to go away. I've got enough drama in my life. I've got enough drama in my life. It's not even funny. I guess that's it. Thanks for joining me for some stormy giggles. Remember to stay safe during this storm. Find a secure place and stock up on your supplies. And if you're feeling anxious, you could transition over to my next video where I'll be singing Creep by Radiohead to help you uh, soothe you rather. So take care, everyone, and see you soon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This is Sexy Balut, otherwise known as Fur. Stay safe, be safe. Bye.